In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a People Smart chip in Google Docs. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, drafting documents for a team project, or simply organizing information, smart chips can be incredibly useful. They allow you to quickly access important details about people directly within your document. Let's dive in and see how you can add a People Smart chip step by step, ensuring your documents are as interactive and informative as possible. First, you'll want to open your Google Doc. Once you're there, look at the top menu bar. You'll see several options, but we're interested in the one labeled Insert. Clicking on Insert brings up a drop-down menu with a variety of options. This is your go-to for adding different elements to your document, from images to tables and more. Next, in the drop-down menu, look for and hover over Smart Chips. You might be wondering, what exactly are smart chips? They're dynamic elements you can insert into your Google Docs that provide additional data or interactivity, such as detailed information about people, files, and events. After selecting Smart Chips, another menu will appear with different types of chips you can insert. Now, you'll want to select People from this list. This option allows you to add detailed information about a person into your document. It's perfect for team documents where you need to reference or provide information about colleagues or stakeholders. Once you click People, a search bar will appear. The next step is to decide where in your document you want this smart chip to appear. Click on the specific spot in the text where you'd like to insert the chip. It's a good idea to think about the flow of your document and how best to maintain its readability while integrating these chips. Once you've placed your cursor in the right spot, type the name or email of the person you wish to add information about. Google Docs will automatically suggest contacts from your Google account, streamlining the process. Once you've found the correct person, press Enter, and voila! The smart chip is now placed in your document. Remember, this feature is particularly helpful if you need to ensure everyone on your team has quick access to contact or role information without having to leave the document. It keeps your workflow smooth and efficient, letting you and your collaborators stay focused on the content of your work. And there you have it. You've successfully added a People Smart chip to your Google Doc. It's a simple yet powerful feature that enhances collaboration and organization within your documents. Give it a try in your next project. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.